if your child always sketching anime and manga style drawings more and more, and if you are getting confused on how to select the right art class for this particular child, then you should understand these two things. Number one, in the art there's a lot of different areas, medium is there. This particular child who's always sketching on anime and manga styles, they have that character sketching talent. So you need to choose class which is matching based on the child talent areas. So you need to help them to join character sketching course and character sketching class. Yeah, how to identify this more clearly and more perfectly? Take your child 5-10 works and same time attend one of the character sketching demo classes. So in the demo class you can able to understand and you can able to feel exactly this class is right for this particular talent, the child who's always drawing anime and manga character style more and more. How to select right art teacher for your child sketching class? It's so simple. Attend demo class of wherever you're going to join that particular class and the course. Yeah, the demo class, the child and you both can able to understand their teaching capacity and same time their ability of sketching that particular areas and more depth, and same time the way they're handling on the child. Once the three things is match, you don't need to do checklist. End of the demo class, you will feel happy about it and you feel very comfortable about this particular demo class. Then the teacher and the particular area is right for your child. Most of the time the teacher talent is good, teaching skill is good, everything is good. Even the student also have the same type of talent, they want to learn it, all the things. After attending the demo class, somewhere if they don't feel comfortable, don't make them to join. Try for some other demo class, go for some other next different class, where the child vibe and the teacher teaching vibe both is connecting. That is the place where the child is supposed to start learning more art. At least art should be more comfortable areas to learn and more happy place to explore more and more. As a parents, if you feel weekly one art class is more than enough for the child or not, maybe if you have ideas like the child should learn more and more, maybe 2-3 class per week. No, it's not like that. Weekly one class is more than enough. If it is like 2 hours, that is very good. If age between like 5 to 10, weekly 1 hour class is more than enough. If the age is more than 10, weekly 2 hours, one class is more than enough. Why? It's not about learning more and more. Yeah, this is about changing the way they will sketch. Okay, so far the child always saying the YouTuber is from personal, from themselves. They start sketching it, all the things. So they build it, the way of sketching, the sketching method, the steps, they build it from their own way. When they join the class, so what they'll do, they will learn it from the right way of sketching, step by step process. So that takes some time. So it's good to attend class weekly, one class or 2 classes more than enough. So that at time it looks different, but slowly they can able to adapt that method and stuff. Rest of the other days they can able to sketch the way they want. If you feel your child is start sketching it more and more, anime, manga, cartoon, this kind of characters more and more, suddenly you got doubt whether it's a talent, natural talent or kind of stuff, otherwise maybe it's just an interest and keep sketching more and more. If you have this kind of doubt, don't worry. That particular child create you energy flow is giving attention to this particular areas. Wait for some few more days or month. Yeah, if there's continuing and sketching more on this anime manga characters more and more, then they're choosing the creativity output coming through this particular sketching form. So this is their natural talent. If you're getting confused between whether you should put your child into online art class or offline art class, everything will work fine. If you choose class based on the child talent and same time the who's going to teach, that particular teacher talent and the skill, if it is matching, online offline class is not at all the problem. Okay, it's all like the child can learn it more faster, more comfortably. That's not the issues. If the age should be minimum should be 7 to 10, otherwise 10 to 16 or 16 above. So this is the variations batch will be fit for the child. If you want to put your child into the small batch or you want to put them into the bigger batch group when they're learning for art class, Both is not problem. So far your child can able to see what the teacher is drawing. So far the child can able to learn it from step by step. Second things. Third things, the teacher can review after the child completing their work. That's more than enough. No need to teach to anybody, especially for this natural talent areas. Where to hold the pencil, you do this like this. No, this is the creative area, this is the art area. They will see and they will learn it. Spoon feeding is not at all required. Actually, the student don't like that. Okay, even if you are giving more correction into their work, even that also they don't like it, because they want to explore, they want to fall and stand and correct and move forward. This is the emotional strength areas, this is the creativity areas. They want to do it through themselves. Paying one-time fees is right for art class, or is paying monthly fees is right for art class? Check it out, the overall durations. Okay, the overall durations and divided with monthly, then if you are paying it, that it's okay, good, without any additional charge, without any admission charge and all the things we are doing, that is good. And same time, if you are paying it less amount for the bigger duration, like 6 months you are paying it one small less amount compared to monthly fees, then you go for the one-time payment. You can get confidently, you can go one-time payment by before joining the child into the class. Check it out, the child interest is matching with the particular art class or not. The interest is matching, the next focus should be how you can make the child to attend class regularly, and same time how you can save the money. That's it. How many levels there in the art class, how the child will learn it? It's very simple. They will have at least for 3 levels. I have the 3 levels. Level 1, the student will learn it, all the sketching method, techniques, process, principles, all the things. The second level, they will learn it. First level we'll call it intermediate. The second level they'll learn more advanced, how to apply and how to build the overall characters in the different pose, different camera angle, perspectives, proportions. These all the things will come in the advanced, along with how to develop their own style and own characters. Yeah, this is the advanced level. The third level, they can choose the medium. Medium means digital or watercolor or coloring, pencil coloring, whatever that is called medium. They can choose those things. Then they can go in depth into that. Before choosing your medium, like digital painting or oil painting, watercolor, whatever it is, before you need to specialize, you need to learn properly through pencil and the paper, all the method, techniques, process, principles, whatever subject is there inside, perspectives, anatomy, whatever is there, everything you need to learn that. Then you go to the medium. This is the levels. If you correcting your child artwork and the child is not comfortable with your feedbacks, then make sure you are aware of this. Number 1, art style is different. Drawing as it is the reference is the different skill. Both are 2 different skills. If you feel the child should draw as it is the reference, then you are just making them to just draw the sketching skills. You are not supporting them in the creativity. When the child is drawing by seeing the reference, but they're coming with their own style, their own way of doing it, that's called creativity. Okay, that is the area the style will create. There is a little gap between mistakes and creating the style. You need to help the child to draw more and more and more. If you don't know more about how to give feedback and how to understand what is style and what areas the child is doing mistake, how to correct it, then better you can take the teacher help, or else you can help them to join any class or any course where they'll get it feedback on their work. That's how they'll improve. Because if we force the child to draw as it is the reference, that is right, the child will start feeling it. They're not having the skill. They actually have the skill. Seeing something and the drawing, it comes a little more better, or is with the own style. That's called creativity. That's called art style. This is what is very important. It is a treasure skill for the child.